Hello everyone, welcome to ThinkComputer YouTube channel. In this video, I will be explaining about Boolean values in QBASIC. So in QBASIC, Boolean values represent the result of a logical condition. That means whenever you are framing a condition using relational or logical operators, the outcome of that condition is basically Boolean value. So Boolean values and Boolean type exist in all type of programming languages, okay? So a condition can have two possible values, true or false, means Boolean value can be either true or false. But an interesting thing to note in QBASIC is that in QBASIC Boolean values are stored numerically, means Boolean values are not stored like true false, okay? It is stored as numbers, okay? So here in QBASIC, when a condition is true, it evaluates to -1. That means true is equal to -1 in QBASIC. Means in other programming languages, when you store true in the memory in a variable, you take Boolean variable. Here we have -1 for that. Means it's a number, in form of a number, Boolean values are stored. So true is basically -1, and if a condition is false, it is basically 0. Understood? Whenever you write any condition in QBASIC using relational and logical operators, if the condition becomes true, you think it to be -1, means true equal to -1, and if it is false, then it is equal to 0. For example, if I write the expression 5 greater than 3, so you can see 5 greater than 3 is true, but it will be stored as -1. Understood? And if you see 5 less than 3, so 5 less than 3 is what? False. It will be stored as 0. So 0 represents false, -1 represents true. So I have some examples which will help you understand better. A is 10, B is 8, and C is 6. Also D is 3. So if I print A greater than B, so 10 greater than 8 is what? True, but it will print -1. Then B less than A means 8 less than 10. Again true, it will print -1. A plus B greater than C plus D. So do the arithmetic first. So A plus B means what? 10 plus 8, 18. C plus D means what? 6 plus 3, 9. So here 18 greater than 9, true. It will print -1. A not equal to B. This is not equal to sign. So A not equal to B, you print. So 10 not equal to 8, true. It will print -1. A is greater than B means 10 is greater than 8, true. Check the second condition. B is greater than C means 8 greater than 6. True. So both conditions are true, accepted. That will print -1. B not equal to A means 8 not equal to 10, correct. And C less than D, that means 6 less than 3, false. So first condition is true, second is false, and will make the entire thing false. So false is 0, like I said before. Then A greater than equal to B and D less than C. So A greater than equal to B means 10 is greater than equal to 8, true. And D less than C means 3 less than 6, again true. So true and true, the outcome will be true, but there is logical not. So logical not inverts the condition, means true becomes false and false becomes true. Since both of my conditions inside the parenthesis are true, so true's not will be false, and if you print that, it will be 0, because false is equal to 0 in QBASIC. Then A less than equal to B, so that is 10 less than equal to 8, false. Check the second condition, C less than D. So that is 6 less than 3, false. The first condition is also false, the second condition is also false. So false or false means the outcome is false. So instead of false, a 0 will be printed.